Hello everyone, it's Justine. Today I am showing you my stitched alphabet birthday card for my beautiful aunt Chris. I love her so dearly and I had to make a really beautiful card for her. So I chose to use my stitched alphabet die set and my Paisley Dreams die set to make this card. I used all sorts of cool tones because I know she likes kind of that look, and she definitely deserves a beautiful birthday card. So I'm going to go ahead here with my blue and purple and just mat down a background. To fit Chris going this direction to work with my Paisleys, I'm using a 5x7 card this time. Now I'm going to put down my stitched letters onto the background for each letter. To do that, I'm just using some liquid glue and adhering each letter to its background. Sometimes I like to use a little bit of an acrylic block or two to weight down each letter. Now after I am finished with all of my letters, I am going to put down my Paisley embellished little designs here. Now to make these, I use all sorts of pieces from the Paisley Dreams die set. There are quite a few. Now this die set was part of the large die of the month, I think for June, but I could be wrong. So if it is still on the Spellbinders website, I will have that linked in the description if you are interested. I will also have the stitched alphabet die set linked in the description as well. And currently, I looked yesterday at this die set on Spellbinders and it is on sale. So sometimes these larger die sets that have a ton of dies go on sale, so snag them when they are on sale. Now after looking at this card, when I'm finished, I realized that I put on my Paisleys a little bit too far to the left, but with my glue, it's on there. So I can't really scooch it over, and that's just kind of part of handmade cards. So I just have to kind of go with it. Now my Chris letters are going to go in the middle, so I'm just going to kind of map out where everything will go so it will fit. So I'm going to put down my top Paisley next and then put my Chris down. I love my reverse tweezers for holding things like this because things are quite delicate with my die cuts, and when the liquid glue's on them, they can kind of bend, and I don't want that. So I'm using my reverse tweezers, and even though it's not perfectly straight at the end, it definitely would be a lot more crooked without using my reverse tweezers. With my colors for my Paisley designs, I did use kind of a green blue metallic for the top and bottom piece, and I really like the way that turned out. So I will definitely use some of that later. I think that was just some extra paper that I had in my stash. When my parents moved a couple years ago, they kind of purged some of the things that they didn't need anymore, and my mom gave me a ton of scrap paper from her scrapbook days, and I have been loving just trying some of the different paper. Now you saw here that I'm using that purple craft tape, and I am putting it on my Chris letters so everything is arranged the way that I wanted them. Be careful with the purple craft tape. Sometimes it's too sticky and it rips the paper. So just caution. I'm going to gently peel it off, and it's going to be fine on this project, but just so you're aware, it sometimes is a little sticky. All right, now with all of my stitched cards, well, not all of them, but most of my stitched cards, when I have a name, I like to put little embellishments where the letters have their stitched. So I'm going to put some gemstones down. These are some gemstones that I picked up on Amazon, and I think they're marketed as nail gemstones. So if you're interested in looking for those, check out the nail area. I'm also going to add a little bit of Wink of Stella to certain pieces of the Paisley elements just to add an extra sparkle. So Chris, if you're watching this, I hope you have a really happy birthday, and I can't wait to see you. If you have liked this video, Everyone else, if you've liked this video, please go ahead and hit the like button so I am aware. And if you're interested in more crafty content from me, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.